Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing great and awesome. Waleed is talking to you. I'm an English teacher or a teacher of English for some grammar Nazis out there. I want to address some common questions, or what we call them FAQ, frequently asked questions about English. I'm starting with as many questions to be addressed as possible. Question 1, I want to learn English. Well, that's the best thing probably that you will do and you will never regret in your life. Learning language is such a beautiful thing. It's better than probably having a trip to Geneva. Well, I'm exaggerating. It's better than probably saving a lot of money. You need just to get yourself ready to do a little bit of effort in the beginning. But this effort is going to pay off later on. One thing you will definitely need is to start focusing on the essential vocabulary that might help you expedite or speed up your English speaking. The first objective and target is to focus on top 50 nouns, top 50 verbs, top 50 adjectives, and top 50 adverbs. And for your luck, and fortunately, I have compiled them in this short manual that I've been working on designing for some time. It's easy and straightforward. It walks you through the basic elements and necessities that will help you become effective and good active English speaker. But again, it takes a little bit of patience, mechanical training, and some mental nutrition, like focusing on probably most common nouns and verbs and adjectives, and coupling that with a little bit of watching YouTube, which is essential to build up some good mindset to get you started and become receptive more and conducive to being taught. Language learning takes a little bit of malleability, or the ability to be malleable, and it does not happen overnight. So you just need to be patient. If you are the kind of person who expects quick results, probably expect quick failure. But that's a good thing. You can learn a lot from your failure if you are the kind of perseverant, curious, and hard to be beaten and adamant to your objectives, targets, and goals in language. Learning language is going to open variety of doors to you in terms of work, in terms of business, in terms of relationships. Probably you may find a date from Malaysia or Tunisia or Algeria or United Kingdom, and you secure yourself a good passport to immigrate and then settle there. Who knows? Maybe. You never know. So the idea is that learning language is really important to you to build your career and to have a good arsenal of skills that will take you to the next level. If you have been following me on my page, probably you would feel bored because of the bombardment of lessons that I give on a daily basis to get you started and move your lazy back from where you are to where you inspire to be. If you do not have a role model or a person to follow and be like, it's going to be really hard to, reach your goals and accomplish satisfactory results in English progress. Starting with the easiest things is really necessary. Probably don't get yourself in a rut of reading New York Times, Washington Post, The Economist, Time, and New York Times, it's going to be really extremely difficult to, dissect the meaning of headlines and the content of the essays and articles out there. But that's good inspiration to shoot for, but not now. Maybe temporarily pausing that is a good idea. And of course, as I said, with a little bit of patience, you can achieve your goals and become very satisfied with the kind of progress, and actually amazed by how much progress you can make over the course of time if you start gradually and incrementally increasing the basic skills that you need to equip yourself with to become better English speaker, including extensive listening, extensive engagement, society stimulating activities such as engaging with friends in direct contacts, using English, or contacting people abroad, and maintaining consistent amount of English practice, and understanding the necessity and need of English, for example, to negotiate for meaning and understanding and reach mutual acknowledgement or mutual understanding about any certain case you're debating, whether that's work, leisure time, vacationing, whatever. That is the ultimatum regarding what you need and where you should start from. But essentially, keep it simple. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, quote Steve Jobs. And understanding that concept is going to help you realize that in order to reach out for people, you do not need to be translator. You just need to be an English speaker. And to be an English speaker is a matter of maintaining simplistic phrases, idiomatic expressions, phrasal verbs from here and there that you collect from watching TV shows, soap operas, movies that are not quite extreme in content, and eventually reaching a maintained level of progress that will help you over the course of time to become incrementally better English speaker. That's frequently asked question, and the question is, can I learn English? What should I do? These are probably tips that will help you through your journey, and in companionship with me, of course, I can definitely get you started, get your body moving, and get yourself ready to practice English and become part of the 400 plus million people who speak English as their formal, official, or secondary language. دمتم على محبة وخير. مدرب الوليد خالد.